when the desirable is not available, the available should be desirable. That is the case of the meal I'm making today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking this pumpkin you are seeing here. I wanted to make a husk melon with yam, but I couldn't get the husk melon. What I saw was this pumpkin, so I had to just get one of it to make my yam porridge. And so today we are making pumpkin and yam porridge. I've peeled the yam and also cut up the pumpkin, so I'll go ahead and start cooking it. I've added some water and salt to the pot. I'll add the pumpkin like that. I'm not peeling it. I'll add it and cook it together. When done, we'll now get to the next stage. Both the yam and the pumpkin are well cooked, so we'll take them out from the pot or water. And then scoop out the flesh of the pumpkin from the skin. The skin is very soft, unlike the husk melon, unlike our normal melon, Ugboguru, as we call it in my language. And some do eat the skin of this one. And here we have the pumpkin ready. We have finished removing it from the skin. It's looking so nice. The yam is also ready. So we have the ingredients which we are going to use to put the porridge together. The palm oil, some chopped onions, some chopped fresh pepper. I have some seasoning cube, crayfish, and a ground bonga fish head. Some salt and a scent leaf already sliced. We'll start by adding the palm oil into the pot, dry pot. Heat it up a little and then start adding all the other ingredients. We'll start with the chopped onions. That's normal. Stir and add the crayfish and the ground bonga fish head, some seasoning cubes. I added just one seasoning cube, fresh pepper, a little salt, and some water. And the water I'm using is the one I use in cooking the yam and the pumpkin. That's how we do it in the village. Agboragoji. I've added the pumpkin. Mix it thoroughly. After mixing it, I will then add the yam. Just trying to fry it a little before adding the yam. And here goes in the yam. Trying to not mash but cut the yam into pieces. This is new yam and it's already very strong. Yeah, it's a very good yam. Our porridge is almost ready. Added some chopped onions for more crunchiness and some bonga fish powder just for more taste. That's optional anyway. And then the scent leaf and the food is ready. Stir it and the food is ready. Taste for salt also. And our pumpkin and the yam porridge is ready and delicious. Isn't this looking good? For me, it is looking so tantalizing. Yes, thank you all my people. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching. And if you are just joining in for the first time, my name is Henrietta Onyemere. Welcome to the channel. Please hit on the red button there that says subscribe and subscribe to join the family. When you subscribe, you click on the notification bell that pops up there. Click on all so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for joining us. And to you all, please, if you enjoyed the video, click on the like button so that I will know that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another of our video. Until then, Remain blessed and stay safe. Keep loving one another. Bye bye.